So I've got a couple of wee jobs to do in Daimler. I've got a seatbelt washer thing to do on it, and I lost half my tools. I wonder if I put them on the boot of the Daimler. So this is going to be bad for me stretching down. I think I'll go down on my knees. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So two. That's good. So looking for a set of ices. And this here, this washer's it's too deep. I'm going to take that off. That's much smaller, it's much better aesthetically. So the less of a gap, I'll just screw that on and it's another wee job for the day. So I've test fitted the pod for mounting the CD. It fits in. I can't take away that trim there. It goes in too deep, it goes into metal, so I'll have to keep that part. I was hoping to use that to cover up the crack, but I've got leopard skin upholstery to go on, seat covers, and I'll reintroduce the matting once the weather dries up a bit. My back's killing me, so I don't really feel it girdling about under dashboards. So what I'm going to do is I'll get coffee to the house. I'm going to drink my coffee in the car, and then I'm going round to the shops, and that's me done for the day. Really, I'll get stuff to collect at the shops and just make it a wee drive in the Mustang, and then try and give my back a rest. And that's a wee short video for the day. This is a wee thermos flask my missus got as a freebie. You can see this is a luxury pack version of the Mustang with the wood trim. And we may have some news concerning this in a couple of weeks' time. Short video for today. Did the driving video yesterday. Remember to look at the other videos. There's 2,500 videos. It's just daily life and classic cars and stuff. You don't need to have a lot of money. Nothing needs to be perfect. Just get it done. Get it on the road. Sun shining good. There's no excuse for it. Get out there and get your motor on the road. Like and subscribe. Mr. H Classic Cars. See you soon. Well, I've worked my back, so I'm not going to get a lot done today on the cars. I've no camera mount, so nowhere to really mount a camera and a drive. I'm going to be going local anyway because there's a certain football tournament on, so I don't want to get caught up in that traffic. I've got a chiropractor through the middle of the week. I'm planning a run into Edinburgh to pick up the drive shaft for the Allegro. I've got the boot to tip out of the Mustang, get it all organised. Maybe a run to the dump. All sorts of things to be done this week, but nothing really video worthy. So
It's going to be a quiet weekend as far as video making is concerned, but I'm just glad that we've got good weather for once. And if this back heals up, I can go out in the MG and enjoy some open top fun. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon with another car video.